Okay, so I have a fridge and a deep freezer, and I just want to show you the state of my fridge. And this is still Monday the 14th, Monday, August 14th, right? Okay, so this is what my freezer looks like. And yes, you can see that I did not come to rearrange it for this video. Things here are frozen. You can see how organized it is. Okay, that's the purpose of this video, organization. And why am I talking about organization? I'm talking about organization because some children are born with innate organizing skills, right? They're born with it. They're born with these organizing skills. Some children are not. They have to learn to be organized, right? So I'm one of that person who is born with it. I have the innate ability to be organized. I love being organized. I love my space clean. And this is something I knew from being a child and being a young adult, rather, not really a child, being a young adult. I just knew that, yes, this was part of me, this was part of my identity. And everybody in my home can attest to this. And beyond that, you see, I also took it to the university. When I went to the university, all my roommates, every person that I stayed with as a roommate can attest to the fact that Vicky is organized, Vicky loves her space clean. Now you can see that. Okay. Okay, so that's let me talk about what was there. That's soup. We ate soup last night, oha soup. I didn't finish my meal, and there's no space to put it back in the fridge. And I'll tell you why it's still here. It shouldn't be here. It should like maybe be in the freezer, but the freezer is empty at the moment because I want to clean it. So I have nuts, I have chin chin, I have sardine and butter. This is what we used for lunch today. Yes, the bread. So that's it, but that's the bowl of ebas. There's some ebas still remain. These vegetables. Then the handle of the shelf, I have my candy plates and dental care. Anyway, I'm putting toothpick and I'm putting sweet on the side anyway, candy just to boost energy sometimes. I have my local nuts, ajima and ukwa. I have kuli kuli there. Yes, the drinks. There's granules in here. Water, drink, alcohol. Yes, for I and hobby. And yeah, cookies. So this is it. Okay. So for the freezer is empty right now. This is coffee. So I had this coffee that was going bad in the container. It was getting sticky. So I had to melt it and put it in a bottle. So that's how I take my coffee. So it's empty. I need to come and clean it, then put some water, and I'll be stocking up soon with some proteins and all. So yes. So it's empty at the moment. Okay, so yes, this is just talking about um fridge and deep freezer organization. And I'm talking about this because okay, when I say children emulate, okay, um yeah, so those are not born with organizing skills now. You see the problem? If you're not organized, if you don't have an organized home, they won't understand what it means to be organized. They'll just grow up being scattered and thinking that yes, being scattered is their thing. No, it's not a thing. Organization is a skill. Organization is a skill. And we know that we are now in the skills economy. We are in the creative economy, we're in the knowledge economy, we're in the skills economy. People are getting paid for what they know how to do best. Okay, so that's for fridge, and yeah, we'll get to talk about kitchen arrangement in subsequent video. Bye.